Welcome to jQuery video series, and this is part 39, and today we are going to look at the nth-of-type filter and why do we need that. So we have covered nth-child filter, and before we proceeding further, if you're new to jQuery, then I want you to go to jQuery.com/download, download the uncompressed version because we are in the development stage, and import the jQuery into your project and then reference it into your head section. And once you do that, then you need to write some JavaScript code. All right, and after that we begin with nth-of-type. I'm sorry, I have not updated over here. Nth-of-type, right? Well, it works pretty much same like the nth-of-child, but if you remember, in 5 we had problem. The thing was, we were selecting the index as 1, and what was happening, it was selecting this one, but it was losing this element because this is not at position 1. So in order to resolve this problem, we have to use nth-of-type 1. So what it does is it goes around and looks at the element, and it sees that, this problem I have made in this one. We were losing the paragraph 2, right? So what I'm saying over here is, when it starts going from top to bottom, it looks at the problem and it sees that this paragraph may not be at the first position. This paragraph may not be at the first position, but this paragraph is the first child, technically speaking, when I'm looking at this div element. Okay, the first paragraph child. Apart from that, there are no other paragraphs on the top, so this must get selected. So it's like regardless of the position in the document, right? So I'm gonna save this thing and I should see all the selections, right? So let's preview in browser. Did I just say preview in? Oh yes, I did. So you can see now, even I set a break over here, this paragraph to get selected, and that's what we want. Right, so this is pretty cool, and so that solves our problem. And now we can see we are done with the nth-of-type filter. Up next we are going to look at the only child filter, which is pretty interesting. So hope to see you there. So thank you for listening. Good night and take care.